What to start? Okay. So, in the last session, we have discussed about the type of operator, and I will share it first. So I hope that the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So uh, we have seen the different types of operators in the last session, like arithmetic operators, logical operators, then the relational operators, that is a comparison operator. Then we have seen conditional operator, and today we will see what are the bitwise operator, what are the increment and decrement operator, and what are the assignment operators. So these three we will see today. So let's move to the increment and decrement and bitwise operator. So, so these are what. Can anyone tell me what are the bitwise operator? Anyone? Bitwise operator. Anyone can tell me?
So
That is.
bitwise and bitwise or
So we can say that zeros and ones. Yes or no? Zeros and ones. So the operator which works on the bits, that is what zeros and ones. Those are called as the bitwise operator. So similarly, we have somewhat bitwise operator like what bitwise, and then that is what shown by using the what a single ampersand sign. Then what we have bitwise, or that is also shown by the single vertical line, we can say. Then bitwise XOR, and bitwise. Then what else we have? Left shift. That these are the advanced. Left shift, that is like this. Right shift. So these are what some bitwise operator. Let us understand with an example, so that will make you more clear. So can anyone tell me what the truth table for the bitwise and? Anyone? One, that is what?
Zero.
One,
One.
one, zero, one. The result is what? Zero.
Zero.
zero?
Zero.
Then we have one, zero. Sorry, zero. Then the result will be what? What is the result of this?
Zero.
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 Zero. Then we have zero. The zero zero is the input we have. The output will be
Zero.
zero. Or no. Now the question is that if I want to apply this bitwise AND, so how can we implement, or how can we use that bitwise AND? So let us take an example. So example for the bitwise AND. Okay. Suppose I have what 5 and suppose 6. I want to perform the operation between the what the bitwise, and I have to perform on what 5 and 6. So do you have any idea about this? How can we perform the bitwise and operation on these two numbers? Anyone? So I hope that everyone is aware of the binary system. Yes or no? Binary number system.
Yes, sir.
So we can represent the binary system is like this: what? like when we start from the rightmost, that is what having the value what 1, yes or no, then we have value what 2, that is 2 to power है ना, then we have what 4, then we have what 8. So this is about the binary system we have. You may have learned in the what DT subject or digital subject. So that comes what 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So there are 4 bit. How many bits are there? How many bits?
4 bit.
4 bits, correct. There are 4 bits. So what is the total value of the 4 bits? That is what if you add these numbers. So I repeat, this one comes whenever we take 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0, why? That is a binary number system. 2 to the power 0, the value of 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2, we have to just increase the power. 2 to the power 3, that is equal to 8. So how many total numbers or digits we have? 4. That's why it is not equal to 4 bits. So whenever I have to represent, it may be 8 bits also. Just you have to increase the power. Like if I increase the power, I will get what 16. Then I will get what 32, like this 64, and like this what 128. That 128. So this now it becomes what the how many bits? These are the 4 bits, and these are the 4 bits. Total become what? Suppose 8 bits are there. 8 bits. But we will consider only 4-bit system. So for our this example, see, I am copying it so you will understand very easy. See, suppose these are the 4 bits I have. These are the 4 bits I have, and I want to perform. Suppose this operation, ANDing operation, we can say on this 5 and 6. So how can we form that 5? Anyone tell me? How can we form 5? How can we form 5?
So by
Anyone?
LCM method, sir.
So see, now the question is that I want to form this 5. How can we get the 5? Which number I have to add to get the 5 number 5?
4 and 1.
No, correct. So first will be 0 for 8, then 1 for 4, then what 0 for 2 and 1 for 1. Because see, the rightmost digit indicates for 1. This one. So value is 1. Why we are taken 0, 1, 0? Because as I said earlier also, if you want to form this 5, we have to see that by which number or by adding which numbers we can get what our 5. So as 5 is what the total, we get what by adding 4 and 1. So those numbers at that place we have to put 1, else we have to put 0. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, they can show their thumbs at least. Huh? Okay, so I will move further. Now the second number we have is what 6. So how can we get the 6? Anyone? Anyone? How can we get 6?
Plus 4 and 2.
0,
And
0.
0, 1, 1, 0. Is it fine, everyone? Now,
Yes, sir.
uh, now what happened? We have converted our numbers into binary form. Why we have converted them into binary form? Because the system understand only binary numbers. That's why what we have converted the our numbers or the given numbers into binary numbers. So now what we can perform? We can perform the AND operation on this by AND operation. So by perform what will the output of this? If you will draw the line, then tell me what will the output of this? Anyone? Use the truth table for this for AND. Anyone
0, 1,
can tell me?
0.
0, 1, 0, 0.
0.
Is it correct, everyone? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Last example of this operator. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me about this? Yes, anyone? I will tell the name. Okay. Amisha Gupta, sorry. Abhiruchi is there, Abhiruchi. Abhiruchi is there. No problem. Ayush Sharma.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
सर हमें 8 बिट लेना पड़ेगा ना इसके लिए, क्योंकि 23 तो बड़ा नंबर है, राइट?
Yes, so 8 bit. Whenever the number as I said earlier, है ना. होता कैसा है कि
तो
आपको
12
ऐड
को
करने.
भी 8 बिट रखेंगे और उसको भी ना, दोनों को 8 बिट ना, एंड 12 के लिए हम जीरोस ऐड कर देंगे लेफ्ट साइड पे.
Yes, correct, correct. So the question, Ayush Sharma is there. Ayush Sharma. Ayush Sharma is there. Kanika is there. Kanika. Kushal. Kushal is there. Kushal. At least you should respond me. है ना? You are not talking. It means what? You are not present in the class. If you don't know, no problem in that. But at least you should respond. Sir, I don't know. ऐसा बोल सकते हो ना आप. नकुल शिंदे. It shows that how much active the students are in the group. Sakshi Dadav.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is the what is the answer of this? How can we solve? Tell me. See, I will add one
Sir,
thing
can
for
you?
you. Sorry.
No, sir, you can go ahead.
Okay, 128, 64, then 32 we have, then 16 we have, then 8, 4, 2, 1. These are the what the numbers, 8-bit numbers. So now anyone want to say, Ruchita Patel?
Sir, can I answer?
Very good, very good. Preet, Rahul Singh, Rahul Shah, please go ahead.
Sir, Tushar.
Okay, okay. Ruchita, mute yourself, Ruchita Patel. Okay. Tell me. देखो
Sir,
Sahani.
Yes sir.
See, it's very simple. Whenever I said that, now the question comes in our mind that whenever I am saying that 12 can be formed by adding this number. But whenever I am trying to add this one, so I need the help of the other 4 bits. So as I said by the Sahni also, we have to put that left 4 digits was 0. So how can you get 12 by adding the 8 and 4? So by the left 4 digits or 4 bits we can say we can keep it as 0. So 1, 1 and 0, 0. So this is nothing but the 12 for us. Yes or no?
yes,
Sir,
sir.
I'm done with the calculation, sir.
Very good, very good.
सर
So how can we
एक कैरी आएगा क्या सर?
carry नहीं आता
क्योंकि
carry
मतलब 1 and 1 कैरी हो जाता है ना 1 नेक्स्ट डिजिट में.
नहीं addition. This is not an addition. This is what the
हाँ
bitwise and
सर.
bitwise or addition is something.
अच्छा डायरेक्ट. ओके सर, ओके.
हाँ. और 23 कैसे मिलेगा? Anyone
Sir.
can tell me 23.
सर
16
001.
16. Okay, I will write. Okay,
तो
ठीक है चलो
0
बताओ बताओ.
1
0. Okay.
1 0 1
1
1 1
0 1
डबल
1.
1. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Just a second, हाँ, just a second. I'm separating. So everyone. ठीक. देखो अभी कैसा है कि इसमें आपको डाउट रहेगा तो आप 23 कैसे आया? जस्ट आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर देखना. See here. So whenever we are adding.
So shouldn't it so 1 so 1 1 1?
Yes, sir.
See here. 1 1. See. 16 है ना. 16 हमको ऐड करना पड़ेगा because we have to form 23. We can't add 32 because 23 is already greater. So we have to form this number. So we have to think that which by adding which numbers we can get 23. So 16 प्लस अगर मैं 8 करूंगा तो कितना हो रहा है 24 हो रहा है, तो 8 को हम ले ही नहीं सकते, फिर यहाँ पर क्या आएगा 1 आएगा, मतलब ये 0001 हो गया, 0001। अभी बचा ये 4, 16 और 4 कितना होता है 20, है ना। तो यहाँ पर गलत हो रहा लग रहा है सानी आपका।
सर 10111 आएगा।
हाँ यहाँ पर देखो अभी यार, अभी 16 और 4 करेंगे ऐड तो 20 हो रहा है, 22 और 23 करेक्ट, ये करेक्ट है। तो यहाँ पर दिस इज व्हाट द करेक्ट, सानी जस्ट मेक अ करेक्शन इन दैट, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, यू ट्राइड, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग। तो
सर
I
मैंने
hope that everyone is
111
very clear about. Okay, there means some problem. Okay, no problem. ठीक है चलिए. So can you tell me the result of this? Anyone?
सर ट्रिपल
Anyone
जीरो
can tell me the result?
1
001100।
0
So 0
0
0
0
1
0
0 0.
Is it clear now?
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Please ask your doubt.
Sir, how do you find the result? Can you please explain? I didn't get it.
How to find the, sorry?
How to find the final result of 23 and 12 and 23?
Okay, this you want to know, na? This part, na?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Sir,
See,
sir, shouldn't the addition start from right to left?
is what it can go anyway, because see, it may change or it may affect when you are doing the addition, yes or no. Addition we are going to perform from right to left, yes or no, or subtraction whenever we are doing any addition or subtraction type, then what we should move from right to left. But whenever we are doing suppose ANDing, ORing, XOR, so that doesn't make any sense, because here what we don't have any concept of carry or borrow. So according to the truth table, as I said, yes, you can see over here truth table. This is the truth table for AND. So whenever the two inputs, like suppose the inputs are 1 1, we have to put 1. If in the either cases, what if the inputs are 0 1 1 0 or both the 0, now in this example, what is the first input? If you go from right also, left also, no problem. First input is 0 and 1. What the 0 and 1 say? 0 1 what says? 0 1. What is the result of 0 1? Sorry, 0 1 का रिजल्ट क्या आता है? 0 आता है. 1 कब आएगा रिजल्ट? जब 1 1 रहेगा तभी 1 आता है. So first is what 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So like this what we can do. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
बाकी किसने बोला था कुछ प्रॉब्लम था? Is it clear? How can we move whether left to right or right to left? Is it clear? Somebody asked that question. How can, so shall we move from left to right or right to left? Is it clear now? I don't know the name of that girl.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
very good. Okay, very good. So oh, hello. Next, what we will see the example of what OR. Can anyone tell me what is the truth table of OR? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to see what bitwise OR. Bitwise OR. So can you tell me what is the difference? See, in the bitwise OR, we have to see that like it is very similar to logical. Here what we have true and false. Here we have what 1 and 0. So whenever the inputs are 1 and 1, these are the inputs. Whenever the inputs are 1 and 1, the result is 1. Similarly, 0 1 and 1 0 4. But The result will be 0 for when the inputs are 0, 0. So we will take the same example, so you will understand easily. So we will take the first example, that is 5 and 6. 5 or 6. Can anyone tell me 5 or 6? How will you represent 5?
So 0, 1, 0, 1.
Okay, just good, 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 good. Next, 6. How can we represent 6?
So 0, 1, 1, 0.
0, 1, 1, 0. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is what the OR we are performing. So can anyone tell me result?
0,
Can anyone tell
triple
me
1.
the
1, 1, 1.
0, triple 1? Very good. So I hope that everyone is very clear about this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So I will give you some examples for you to solve it. Just solve it, everyone. Okay. Solve this example. For your practice, I am giving this example. Is it fine? The examples are visible to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just solve it and you can share in the chat box. Okay, with your name.
Okay, sir.
Okay, solve it, everyone.
Sir? सर हो क्या? हेलो सर भाग गए.
Sir,
सेम प्रिंसिपल जी.
Hello.
Yes sir.
yes sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Okay. Have you solved?
Yes sir. Done sir.
Okay. So wait for others because they are doing. Okay.
सर मुझे वो कन्वर्जन अभी भी ढंग से समझ नहीं आ रहा. वो आज जो अपने वो शॉर्ट वाला मेथड है ना, ये 8042 वाला क्या है?
Yeah. Okay. Balji, have you solved?
Yes sir.
850.
Okay, you can share. Okay, I'm making you a presenter. Share. You can share.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, बोलिए. Aviraj.
Sir, I have shared the answers in the chat box.
Okay, just a minute. Let me see. Okay. You have directly put the answers, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, Balji, have you solved total sum
Yes
or
sir.
total?
Sir, but मतलब प्रेजेंटर बन के फायदा नहीं है.
सॉल्व का भी फोटो डालोगे?
ठीक है. So,
Sir,
Sir,
मुझे chat
even
box
I
नहीं दिख
also.
रहा. I don't know why.
no problem, no issue in that. Maybe some technical issues. So,
सर हम लोग का अवेलेबल ही नहीं है चैट बॉक्स.
ठीक है, no problem. But do one thing, है ना?
So
कितने
I
लोगों को
can turn
समझा?
on my camera if you want.
ठीक है, no
I can just
problem.
switch
देखो,
to my camera.
ठीक है. देखो, सी कैसा होता है इसमें. वेरी सिंपल कैलकुलेशन इज देयर. दोज हैविंग डाउट. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, जो नंबर आपको दिया गया है नंबर, दैट नंबर वी हैव टू फॉर्म बाय यूजिंग दी 4 बिट और 8 बिट नंबर. जो आपको 4 बिट रहता है तो कैसा होता है 8421. ये 8421 कैसे आता है? 1 राइट मोस्ट होता है, 2 टू पावर 0 होता है, 2 टू पावर 0, 2 टू पावर 1, 2 टू पावर 2, 2 टू पावर 3. हमेशा पावर इंक्रीज करना पड़ता है आपको. तो 2 टू पावर 0 मतलब कितना होता है 1 होता है, 2 टू पावर 1 मतलब कितना होता है 2, 2 टू पावर 3 मतलब 2. ऐसा करते करते आपको जाना है. तो हमने जब 5 लिया था एग्जाम्पल में, 5 जो एग्जाम्पल मैंने बताया आप लोगों को 5, तो उसमें कैसा था 5 कैसे फॉर्म होगा, 4 को और 1 को ऐड करने के बाद 5 मिलता है आप लोग को. यस और नो?
Sir, I have shared in the chat box.
ठीक है, no problem. But you can get that 5. How you can get the 5? By adding the digit 4 and 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
How can you get 6? You can add 4 and 2. So you have to keep those at the place of 4 and 2. You have to put ones and rest of the digits will be 0. Yes or no?
यस सर.
Is it clear now?
Yes sir.
Okay. अभी जिसको डाउट था क्लियर हो गया? Hello. Hello. Is it clear now?
यस सर.
Hello.
Yes sir.
So like this, what you can try, and I will put some questions and some advanced questions in the group WhatsApp group
सर
today.
सब्ट्रैक्शन से भी कर सकते हैं ना?
नहीं सब देखो कैसा होता है कि subtraction and addition are something different. Those can be performed on the binary numbers, but those operations are different operations. That is the addition, subtraction. These are somewhat bitwise operators are there, and that bitwise operators having what different operation like what bitwise and bitwise or है ना, such type of operations are there. So you can perform addition subtraction, but those are not included in the bitwise operators. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Samesh,
Yes, sir.
आप अटेंडेंस ले लो ना,
हाँ सर, लिया मैंने.
एक्सपेंसिव पे डालो. और अविराज, हेलो
Yes, sir.
अविराज,
लिया.
ठीक है. So I will put
ले
some
लिया, sir.
examples in. I will put some examples in the WhatsApp group. ठीक है, and I will share the videos also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, so can we leave?
सर रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दीजिए.